Hello everyone, this is Eric.
And this is Brandon.
And for our project, we attempted to create a device that would ensure hand washing for 20 seconds. And our product includes a servo motor, an Arduino, and an ultrasonic sensor. Our first component is a cap that we 3D printed. It fits over the sink, and the cutout in the center allows it to grip the sink handle. We also have laser cut a table for the servo to rest on so that it can hold the cap at the perfect height to rotate the sink handle.
The next component is our ultrasonic and Arduino. The ultrasonic fires and receives sound waves to determine to the closest object. If the object is a hand and is close enough, the Arduino activates a timer as well as sends a signal to the servo, which turns on and off the sink whenever appropriate. This part of the code tells the ultrasonic to send and receive sound waves, using the time it takes for the sound wave to come back, the distance in centimeters is then calculated. Next, if an object is less than 45 centimeters away for more than 0.7 seconds, the Arduino starts a timer. This ensures that if someone was to just brush by, the Arduino won't activate the system. Once the timer is activated, the servo is then told to turn on the sink for 3 seconds, allowing the user to rinse their hands. Then the sink is turned off for 20 seconds to allow the user to scrub with soap. And then the servo once again turns the sink back on for as long as needed to rinse off all of the soap. Finally, to determine when a user is left, the Arduino waits to see if a distance of greater than 45 centimeters is detected for over 0.7 seconds, much like how the Arduino is activated. When this is met, the Arduino turns the servo off and rearms.
So here we have a demonstration of our final device in use. So first, the ultrasonic will sense a hand, and the servo will need a nudge to get it started. However, it will allow the user to wet their hands before they apply soap, and it will wait for 20 seconds to allow the user to fully scrub their hands. As we can see here, our table that is supporting the servo and the cap is secured down with tape, and this is to ensure stability for the table and allow the servo to rotate fully. However, it's something that we would like to improve upon in future designs. And now the servo opens the sink again to allow the user to rinse their hands for as long as they need to, and the ultrasonic will detect when they have left, and afterwards the servo will close the sink.
In conclusion, our device uses an ultrasonic to determine when a user has entered or left the sink. Then, an Arduino calculates how long the sink should be turned on and off for, and a servo will actually open the sink handle or close the sink handle.